Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about what guys think when you sleep with them, when you've just met them. On the first date you're sleeping with him. What does he think afterwards? Yes, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit this subscribe button, this red button down below, and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. And if you would like a one-on-one counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. So without further ado, let's get into this video. They fear to be called names. They fear to be seen like women who have no standard. So here in this video, I'm going to explain, I'm going to tell you what men actually think after you sleep with them on the first date. Number one, they can't believe how lucky they are. Yes. I know you may be thinking something different, but some men are actually wondering how lucky they have been to get you immediately, that they haven't had to go through the hassle of trying to convince you, to lure you, to please you, to play all those tricks on you. They are wondering how lucky they are to have you. I know you might be wondering and panicking that this guy is judging you. But sometimes it's not the case. Sometimes he's actually happy that you did it. And just think less of it and just enjoy the moment. Own it, because it happened. You can't take it back. Number two, they are probably wondering if you enjoyed yourself. Do you know that some men can also have insecurities? After your first encounter in bed with a man, he is there wondering how you viewed him as a man. Those are the skills he exposed to you. It's his secret manhood. It's his manhood secret he just showed you. So he's probably wondering what you are thinking of him. Are you thinking he's a man or he's a man? That's what he is probably wondering. Number three, there is that panic that sets in if you want commitment or not. Probably this guy wants to commit, or he doesn't. And he is wondering, does she want to commit? Does she want to cling on me? Will she accept to be with me? Remember, not all guys are hit and run guys. Some actually want to keep you. Personally, I would advise you not to rush into things. Do not rush into the relationship, like forcing him on the relationship after your first encounter in bed with him. Let things unfold naturally. Don't think that because this guy went in bed with you, it's automatically going to be a relationship. No. Let things unfold naturally. Don't go pitching yourself, asking yourself, why did I do it? How did I end up in bed with this person on the first date? No. Just relax. Let things unfold naturally. Number four, the guy is not even making a big deal out of it. He doesn't think it's something to make a big deal out of. Because remember, ladies, most of the ladies, once they get in bed with a guy, it's personal. It's instantly personal. Sometimes the guy is not even making a big deal out of it. They brush it off. It doesn't mean anything to them. So don't make a big deal out of it too, because he probably is not. Don't take it personal. Don't take it too personal. Like I said, let everything unfold naturally. Don't go that because he slept with you, so it's a must relationship, it's a must marriage, we must date, we must have kids, we must build a house, we must settle down because I was in bed with you. It's not that. It's not a must. Just don't take it personal. Let things unfold naturally. Next, some probably think you're too easygoing and you are cheap. And that's majority. Most guys, when you sleep with them on the first date, when you have just met them and you're sleeping with them, they probably know and think that they are not going to take this relationship anywhere with you. They are not going to make it a relationship because you are an easygoing lady. They think you are loose. They think you are cheap. Number 6, some are feeling wow. So this depends on how the sex was. If it was mind-blowing and it is the type of sex he has been looking for, then there is a big percentage of chance that this guy is going to take the relationship even further. Is going to date you, as opposed to if it wasn't good at all. It doesn't matter whether he was the cause of not the encounter being good, or it is you. It will always come back to you. As long as it wasn't good, whether he's the cause or you are the cause, it wasn't good for them. They don't have a reason to take it further. So if you keep pushing yourself onto them because you think that going to bed with them was a personal thing, is a personal thing, you feel like they entered in your privates, they entered in your body, and so they have to stay. You are going to cause resentment. You are going to cause them anger, and a once laughing, caring person will become very angry with you, and it will be very frustrating for you. Number 7, they aren't even thinking about your reputation. Most ladies, after they've gone to bed with a guy for the first time on the first date, you're like, oh my God, my reputation has gone down south. This guy is not going to value me anymore. He's not going to feel like I'm someone. My name is spoiled. My name is gone. He probably isn't even thinking about your reputation. So, don't make a big deal out of it. Number 8, when you are in bed with a guy for the first time on the first date, they are not thinking about your body, your physical body. They are not thinking about your breasts. They are not thinking about your hips. They are not thinking about your body hang-ups. So don't be there wondering, oh my God, my breasts. For them, they are excited. In their mind, they are thinking of this, oh my God, this thing is happening. This thing is happening. They want the action to go down. They are not thinking about what you're thinking, your insecurities, maybe you have cellulite. They are not thinking about your blemishes, maybe your scars. They are not even taking care, looking at them or taking time to see them. Even if they see them, they are not seeing them. What they think is, this is happening. Action is going down. That is all that is in their brain, and that's it. Number 9, do you know that some men immediately feel that connection with you depending on how intimate the encounter was. Yes. Not all of them feel like it's a hit and run or it's a one-night stand thing. No. Some get that closeness with you depending on how intimate they felt. It's a feeling. Depending on how intimate the encounter made them feel with you. Number 10. The guy is already starting to wonder when they can do it again. Can we do it this evening or next morning? That is what he's thinking. He's not taking it personal, thinking of, so we have started a relationship, so now we are dating. No, they are thinking of when to do it again. They feel like you are their partner, their bed partner, bedmate, sexmate. So they are thinking of, when are we going to repeat this? They are not thinking of, so now we've started a relationship with her, now we are going to plan a date. They are not thinking about that. They are thinking of when the sex can happen again, and that's it. Number 11. Some will regret. Yes. Some men meet with you with an intention maybe of starting a long-term relationship, and they know that when they sleep with you on the first date, it's going to stop, it's going to alter, it's going to impede them from building a good foundation of the relationship with you. So they end up regretting. And some don't even want a relationship with you. Maybe they were just flirting with you. Maybe they were just happy to have you hang around, and they don't want to engage in a sexual relationship with you. And they end up regretting when you make it easy for them to sleep with you on the first date. Some just want you as a friend. So when you sleep with them on the first date, they regret why it happened. They regret why they did it. They regret why they didn't fight with their body to do it. They regret. So I hope you've learned something. Those are the mixed feelings and emotions that you evoke in a guy's mind when you sleep with them on the first date. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've liked it. Give it a thumbs up and share it. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. If you want to book a one-on-one counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. So, bye and see you in the next one.